Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Thursday, the 15th of January. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today, halfway through meteorological winter. We've got a slight chance of a rain shower this morning, and then we'll become mostly sunny here. Temperatures in the 40s. That southerly wind will be gusty, as high as 25 miles an hour. It's going to flip to the west and usher in that colder air. That's going to play a key role in the weekend forecast. So tonight we're down in the teens. Tomorrow we're in the low 30s. On Friday, mostly cloudy skies developing late in the day, especially at night, temperatures in the 20s. And then a little weather system brings some rain or snow here on Saturday. I don't think there'll be much, if any, accumulation. There might be a coating to an inch in the hills north and west of 495. That's not a big deal. It's out of here Saturday night, mostly cloudy down into the 20s. Sunday's the question. So there's going to be an ocean storm. I think that all the models agree there's going to be a coastal. And that coastal storm's going to develop. It's going to maybe even bring some snow down towards Georgia, parts of Alabama, into the Carolinas. And then it's going to slip offshore and move east. Now, how close does it come to us? The left side of that storm will have some snow on it. And depending on, how close to Nantucket it gets, that shield could make it into southern New England. And if it comes, really far west, we'd end up with a light to moderate sized snowstorm. If it stays further offshore, will just be cloudy. It's Thursday morning. I'm not going to commit to any of those scenarios at this point because the models are going to wobble with this thing. As they get more data from the balloons that go up and kind of analyze the atmosphere and see how much that trough is going to sharpen and bend back to the left a little bit, we'll have a better idea for Sunday into Monday. Now, the good news is Monday's a holiday, so I can guarantee you there's no school on Monday. At least for the publics. We'll see what happens here. And then that's out of here. It should return to sunshine on Monday. It's a fast mover, so it's not going to be some, major blockbuster storm. It doesn't have any blocking downstream, so it's probably a 8 to 12 hour kind of scenario if we were to get it. And then Tuesday, sunny in the 20s, and then it's cold for at least through the middle part of next week. We're in the 20s. So enjoy the temperatures about 10 degrees above 30-year averages today because we are going to cool off. And if it looks like things, look a little more definitive, we'll keep this updated. Otherwise, just plan on listening tomorrow and check TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. All my stuff's out there. I will update this tomorrow morning. Have a great day.